Good day. I'm Maria Juni Micaela Alaba. Today is June 28, 2024, Friday. The topic that I will discuss is all about e-commerce and internet marketing. So, let us know what is e-commerce. Electronic commerce, commonly known as e-commerce, is a business transaction that occurs via the internet. It is a business strategy that enables businesses and customers to buy and sell goods and services using online platforms. Electronic commerce has been propelled by the advancement of innovative technologies such as the internet, which enable quick and safe business transactions. Furthermore, e-commerce growing popularity is due to the ease it provides, allowing people to buy products and services from anywhere at any time. So how does e-commerce work? So the first is product in. Next, receive, sort, shelve, order placed, delivered, product out, label to ship, check and pack, and lastly is to pick. The history of e-commerce. E-commerce began in the 1960s when businesses employed an electronic technology known as electronic data interchange to simplify document transfers. The history of electronic commerce began in 1979 when Michael Aldrich created a method that allowed businesses to communicate and exchange things from a distance. In the 1980s, the internet emerged as a major commercial platform. Technically, the first e-commerce company was Boston Computer Exchange, which was created in 1982. The platform was an online marketplace that supported in the sale of second-hand computers. The World Wide Web launched in 1991, launching in a new age of what we know called e-commerce. Many businesses began to embrace the World Wide Web, developing websites and online marketplaces to promote their products. One of the first e-commerce sites was Amazon, which launched in 1995 as an online bookshop. Amazon was created to sell books, but as it evolved, it expanded to offer other things as well. Soon after, other websites emerged as a marketplace. In 2010, as technology advanced, the availability of smartphones provided the way for programs like Shopee and Lazada, making it even easier to buy things. Social media networks also began to develop features that supported online buying. Facebook introduced the first kind of advertising to business pages. E-commerce continued to grow until 2020 when the COVID-19 global pandemic impacted consumer perceptions of e-commerce. Consumers were unable to visit actual establishments. Therefore, internet shopping became the primary means of obtaining the products or services they required. Social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have enabled e-commerce enterprises to communicate with their customers and form an online community that promotes brand growth. There are six types of e-commerce. First, B2B or business to business refers to the sale of products or services from one company to another. This sort of e-commerce is common in industries that rely on suppliers and business partners. Second, B2C or business to consumer refers to the sale of products or services directly from a firm to an end client. This sort of e-commerce is common among online merchants and retailers. Third, C2C or consumer to consumer refers to the sale of goods or services between individual consumers. This type of e-commerce is often used on marketplaces and online marketplaces. Next, C2B or consumer to business refers to the sale of products or services by a consumer to a business. This type of e-commerce focuses on freelancing platforms and on-demand services. Next, B2G or business to government is a selling a company products or services to the government. This type of e-commerce is popular in government procurement and contracts. And lastly is C2G or consumer to government. Refers to the procedure by which consumers purchase products or services from government entities on the internet. The electronic commerce operations carried out by the government with its consumers, such as paying taxes and giving information and services. There are benefits of e-commerce for a customer and for a business. The benefits of e-commerce for a customer: choose from wide range of goods, enjoy simplicity and comfort, save money, save time, get detailed information. While the benefits of e-commerce for a business: lower your cost, use affordable marketing, collect customer data insights, reach new customers, and lastly, make it easy to scale up. There are examples of e-commerce in international and local. The examples of e-commerce in international, which is the Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Shopify, Best Buy. While the examples of e-commerce in local, which is the Shopee, Lazada Group, Zalora, Facebook, and TikTok. That's all. Thank you.